These are our Earth and space notes. Remember, write everything that I write down. There will not be a summary after this page. So let's just get started. First thing, our cosmic neighborhood. In our cosmic neighborhood, we have the sun, our Earth, and the moon. So these are kind of like our neighbors. Our sun is a medium-sized star. And it is the only star in our solar system. Our Earth rotates, which means it spins in place, for 24 hours. This causes day and night. When it revolves, it's going around its revolution, the Earth revolves or goes around its orbit, so it goes around our sun. This happens once a year and it causes seasons. Our moon, it orbits around the Earth. It is the Earth's only natural satellite. This means that it is the only thing that is orbiting the Earth that we did not make. From Earth, we see that the moon has 8 different phases. And this is because of its orbit. You have an example of this here. Here's our sun. Earth is number 2, and number 3 would be our moon. You have our orbit on this dotted line. So the Earth going around the sun and then the moon going around the Earth. And remember, each of these are spinning on their axis or rotating on their axis. So let's take a quick second to look at where we are in the universe. We have Earth, where we live. And we're about to go into our solar system, which includes the sun and our moon. On the second part of our paper, let's start here. The Earth is going to be the 3rd planet orbiting the sun. In our solar system, we have the sun, which is a giant star. I say giant. It's giant compared to the Earth. It's actually a medium-sized star. I'm going to flip the paper sideways so that I can write. Our first planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Here we have our asteroid belt. Then we go on to Jupiter. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Past here is where we have our Kuiper belt, and Pluto is in that Kuiper belt. But for lack of space, we're going to leave it here. One way, and you might have another, to remember the solar system is using this sentence, "My very educated mother just served us nachos." Every first letter in the sentence is going to represent a planet. So, M, my Mercury, very V, Venus, educated E, Earth, M, mother, Mars, just, J, Jupiter, S, served, Saturn, us, U, Uranus, N, nachos, Neptune. Our sun is one of 100 billion stars in our galaxy. Excuse me. Our sun is one of 100 billion stars in our galaxy. Our galaxy is the Milky Way. So inside of our galaxy, we have, or excuse me, inside of our solar system, we have our one planet. I'm saying that weird. Inside of our solar system, we have our one star, which is the sun. We have planets, moons, comets, and asteroids. Outside of our solar system, we have all of our other stars. Galaxies, groups or clusters of galaxies. Black holes, nebulas, and then the list just goes on from there. For lack of space, I'm going to have to make black holes over here. Going back to our little space neighborhood. We have our solar system. We have the Milky Way galaxy. We have a galaxy cluster, which we belong to. Oops, sorry, I just realized you couldn't see. So there's Milky Way, galaxy cluster. And the last thing we're going to talk about is our universe. Flip it down to the bottom. A galaxy is a massive island of stars in space. Held together by gravity, they can be spiral, elliptical, or irregular shaped. Spiral is what we have. Elliptical really looks like an oval. And then irregular just kind of looks like a big blob in space. We also have massive black holes at the center of our universe. So it kind of looks like just an empty space here. The last part, like I said, is our universe. All of space, including its contents. So everything in space. So stars, planets, galaxies,